Hey everybody! Adding comment in your code is a really important part when you write code for yourself or for companies because people need to understand your code. If I just writing number of line code, people will not understand what I'm doing. If I just go back to variable app, you see it. This is basic app finding people age. But think about you don't have this line. A programmer need to go through line by line to understand what I'm doing. So make sure always add your comment in any lines you want to do anything, any operation. For example, you want here I have process for concatenate to string. I say here and comment. So to add comment, you add hash concat to string. Just add comment anywhere. So you want to change upper case to string. Whatever you want to add here, lower case to string. So if you see, I just add something meaning for what I'm doing. So here I say find number of character in string. So make sure whenever you write any code, you add comment. And always remember, this line will not execute. When your program run, he will run this line, then this line, then this line, then this line, then this one, then this one, then this. Any line have bound before it will not run. But it will be very helpful for you and for anyone who read your code will understand what you are doing. So yes, make sure to add comment about your code to make it easy to understand. And yeah, here we done and thank you for watching.